You notice, darling, since we've had Lady, we see less and less of those disturbing headlines.
Yes, I just don't know how we ever got along without her.
Say, she must be about 6 months old. We'd better be getting her a license.
Today I'm going to show you how to make the donuts from Lady and the Tramp, the donuts that Jim Deere gives to Lady with a side of morning coffee. This donut recipe is a bit unique though, in that it is a donut recipe designed for dogs. Firstly because it's what the Disney Cookbook recipe I have shows, but secondly because my taste tester for this video is my brother's mini Australian Shepherd, Oakley. So let's jump right in and make some doggy donut treats. To make the donuts in a large bowl, combine 2 eggs that are beaten. Okay, each of you can do 1 egg. How's about that?
How's about that?
Thanks. The egg comes out.
Yay!
So we need flour.
And we need to mix the eggs first.
Mix. We can't do all together. Unless we put it together. Look, this is the peanut butter.
Next, add 2/3 cup of peanut butter, 2/3 cup of applesauce. Connor, do you want to pour in the applesauce?
Applesauce. Applesauce. I want applesauce.
2 tablespoons of honey.
Honey! Mama, we're making doggy donuts.
I see.
I don't know. Do you want to join us? Donuts?
2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, and 1 cup of quick rolled oats. To make these, I blitzed some rolled oats I had to get them finer, to be a bit more like quick rolled oats. We did it! Mix all these ingredients together with a wooden spoon or spatula until well combined. If the dough is a bit too sticky, just add a little bit more flour. Who are we making these donuts for?
Okay. I'm so happy, Dada. You'll be so happy.
Oakley's gonna be happy.
Yeah. That's so happy. That's so happy. We're done. I'm all done.
To form each donut, scoop around 2 tablespoons of dough and combine them together. Roll the dough into a log shape and bend it into a donut shape.
Wait, what is that? It's like a snake.
Press the ends together to seal, and just like that, a cute little doggy donut. Place the donuts onto a baking sheet lined with parchment or silicone mat and continue forming donuts until all of the batter is used up. You want more, Mason?
Yeah.
You want to try it again?
I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Every time I try it, it don't work.
Okay, Connor. Ready? You put your hand on top and roll it.
Are you?
There you go. Make it into a circle. Good job. Once all of the donuts have been formed, bake these in an oven that's been preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until golden brown. After baking, let them cool on the pans for a few minutes, then move to a wire rack to cool completely. They're in the oven. These will stay good up to 2 weeks in an airtight container in the fridge. These donuts turned out quite well. I thought they were cutely shaped, and this should make a great treat for that special canine friend in your life. I did try the donut myself. It tasted just about as I expected it would. It was quite dense and quite a bit dry, but the taste was fine, since it basically was peanut butter, applesauce, and honey. And those 3 ingredients happen to be some of my kids' favorite foods right now, so they tried the donuts too and actually liked them.
One for Dad, one for Oakley.
Mostly though, they were just excited to give them to their favorite furry friend, Oakley.
You want to give him a piece now, Mason? Here you go.
He likes it.
Sit. No. Sit.
There we go.
He liked them.
He liked it.
Sure did.
He liked the donut.
And to my pleasant surprise, Oakley enjoyed the donuts. This was my first time making a recipe designed for dogs, so I'm glad he liked them. For all you out there with a special canine in your life, this would be a fun recipe to make and share with them. All the ingredients are safe for dogs as well, so you can feel good about what's in those treats. And now you know how to make the donuts from Lady and the Tramp, or at least with a doggy-focused twist on it. This recipe came from the Disney Cookbook, Cooking with Magic, A Century of Recipes. I've made quite a few recipes from this cookbook already and plan to make more, so if you're interested, please follow and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please consider leaving a like to this video. Also subscribe if you like Disney. I make quite a bit of Disney-inspired food in this channel, so follow along and learn more. Thanks again. See you next time.